I've got my HerMine box for the month of July. So if you want to see what's in the box, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Kenzie's sitting out here with me, but she's down on the floor, and Bandit's in the air-conditioned room, as is Chloe. But if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is sent to me free for review. I did not get one in June, but they did send me one in July, and I'm always thankful whenever they do send it. This is put out by a mother and daughter, and they put so much thought into this box. Everything in here they check out, they theme together. They do a really great job at finding female-owned companies and small businesses that you may have never known existed, but once you try them, you are back for more. And they do a great job teaching us a little bit more about self-care. Pam and Trudy are the mother-daughter team behind this box, and they do put this together in honor of, in order of the sister/aunt who was big into self-care, and her name was HerMine, and she did pass away, so this is kind of their, I would say, love note to her. So there's a little card that tells you it's the anniversary box. Ooh. Uplift, relax, and renew. So we know everything in this box has been curated with that in mind. There is a little flyer, and inside it does go over each of the items, and then it used to have a little story about the people behind it, and now it just has pictures, if there's pictures, like a little thumbnail. Here is your sneak peek, and I already see one super adorable thing that is definitely going on my thermos. Look at how beautiful that is, and this is definitely that kind of sticker material that would go well on your thermos, and it's okay if it gets wet, but it's so gorgeous. And HerMine loved butterflies, so that's why the butterfly is kind of their trademark. This is by Savannah and James, and the owner is Maddie. And it says, our namesake HerMine loved butterflies and flowers, so we wanted to include the sticker as a special bonus because it's a blend of both. We hope you find a great place to display it. And again, that is going right on the thermos I use every day. Next, by Ives and Bees. So that is two sisters. They live in Florida, but they're originally from the Philippines. And they put together some great body care and candles. This is one of their all-natural soy candles in Butterfly Love. Look at that. Oh, it smells like champagne and peaches and so good. It smells like maybe like a mimosa almost. The scent notes aren't on here, but this is a picture of Vanessa and Ivy, the two sisters behind Ives and Bees. And they do, I believe they have their own website. You can follow them on Instagram, but you can also check out their products, and they also do, like I said, some great bath products as well, and their scents are always so wonderful. Oh, I can see the flowers in here. This was very well wrapped. I just want to show you in. This is a rose and jasmine body oil, and like I say, it's got the flowers in there. You can see them moving around. Don't have my glasses on. This is the name of the company. I will flash it. I'll get my glasses later, and I'll just put it in front of the screen so you guys can see. It looks like the Bloom Clout Company. Oh, the jasmine in there is so gorgeous. Oh, that smells so good. The rose is kind of like, you can smell it, but the jasmine is the stronger, but it's not an overpowering. and it's like roses in your garden, not that fake rose scent that they use in a lot of perfumes. So love, love, love this. Let's read a little bit about this. It's a luxurious and hydrating botanical body oil. It's non-greasy and deeply moisturizing. You leave your skin feeling soft and silky. A little goes a long way, and I can attest to that. It does not feel greasy. There's a little bit of a shine, but it does feel really nice on there, and I'm not feeling like super oily or super greasy, so love it. Now, also by that same company, we have some bath salts. Look at how pretty those are. And those are rose and jasmine bath salts. I think the scent has attracted the mosquitoes. This smells delightful as well. And you could even like pump a little bit into your bath with this, and it will really soften up your skin, particularly if you're spending a lot of time in the water. I spend a lot of time in the water. I was at the pool all day. It's a saltwater pool, so it really, really makes my skin dry afterwards. I mean, it was a great day for it. Don't get me wrong. I was floating around in that pool, happy as can be. And it says, there's nothing like a luxurious, rejuvenating, and amazing smelling bathing experience. This bag. This is a Thai herbal massage ball. It helps relieve muscle tension and joint pain, stimulates blood circulation, and it says it has essential oils and natural herbs, turmeric and lemongrass. Let's take a look. It's all vacuum sealed, so we're going to have to cut this open. It does say you want to soak it in warm water for 20 minutes to allow full absorption into here, and then to heat it in the microwave for 3 minutes or steam over a pot of boiling water, and then place the herbal compress on any area of the body you desire, press and massage, and after use, leave the herbal compress out to dry, and then place it in an airtight plastic bag to keep for your next use. And you can use it for 5 to 6 times. So I'm not going to take it out of here right now. I'm going to wait till I'm ready to use it, but I will try to do a demo for you at another time. And this is by Verve Culture, and it's owned by Jules and Jackie. And here is their picture. Inspired by the Thai tradition of using herbs to promote a healthy, soft, and smooth skin, our Thai herbal spa collection will help you relax in no time. And I'm really excited. I've never gotten anything like this in a subscription box, so I'm pretty excited to give that a try for you guys. The last thing in here, wait to see how gorgeous this is. All right, so it's a trinket dish, and it has all kinds of great little sayings on there. And that is by Quotable, and it's owned by, I don't know if it's Jillian or Gillian because it's with a G, and Matt. And it says, our namesake HerMine was our biggest cheerleader and loved us unconditionally. This trinket dish carries the sentiments she wished for us, and we're now passing them on to you. You are amazing. And I am just so thankful, Pam and Trudy, that you sent me this box. And this was so lovely. Everything in here I'm definitely going to get use out of. Like I said, I will do a demo of the massage ball at another time. I wanted to dedicate this unboxing to this anniversary box. So August is the Golden Goddess box, and so if I get that, I'll be looking forward to showing you all that. All right, well, I think that was a great anniversary box. Really kind of a wow factor there, and some different things, and everything smells. I'm still smelling that rose and jasmine, and I'm going to be smelling that all night on me and just loving that. That's going to really soothe me and help me get to sleep. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.